Hey, hello, it's Comfort here and welcome to another video from my kitchen Flavours. And today we're going to be roasting these aromatic, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside rosemary potatoes that are perfect for your Christmas table. So let's get into it. Alright, so here I have some whole potatoes, which is how I prefer to cook them, but you may cut yours up first if you like. After transferring them to a saucepan and adding some water, I'm going ahead to add a teaspoon of baking soda, and this is going to soften the outside of the potatoes and ensure that they end up super crispy after roasting them. So thank you, Mr. Paul, for that tip. What we want is to cook the potatoes for about 15 to 20 minutes. So this is 20 minutes later and my potatoes are really soft on the outside and still very firm on the inside. I'm now transferring them to a bowl to cool down enough for me to handle. Now while the potatoes are cooling down, we're going to work on the rosemary. What you want to do is chop them roughly, and this is going to release that gorgeous flavor and aroma into the potatoes while they are in the oven, okay? Now back to our cooled potatoes. You can see that the outside looks somewhat soft and we want to shake the bowl like so. And this is simply to rough up the outside of the potatoes, and those roughed up edges will definitely turn crispy in the oven. Then you want to go ahead and cut your potatoes into even slices and then place them in the baking dish like I'm doing right now. Alright, next you want to add whatever fat you are using to the baking dish. I am using a little bit of vegetable oil and some butter because I feel like this combination will help my potatoes crisp up boulogne. We then want to sprinkle our chopped rosemary over the potatoes, transfer the dish to the oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius and allow them to bake for 30 minutes. I'll come back and show you what's next after I share this amazing truth with you from the Word of God, okay? Alright, this is 30 minutes later and the potatoes are sizzling. The aroma is to live for, but at this point we want to add the seasoning, and I'm using just salt and black pepper to taste. We're going to mix everything up and return the dish to the oven for another 30 minutes. And in the time, the potatoes will have crisped up boulogne, and you'll see what I mean in a little bit. Oh, Banange, just look at how beautiful these potatoes look, and the aroma alone is going to have your family visiting the kitchen because it's so comforting and amazing. And as you can see, the potatoes are this beautiful golden brown and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Believe me when I say these are going to be an absolute hit and there'll be none left over. So I just wanted to let you know that I will be posting a video every day of this week, and the videos will be on easy and delish ideas for your Christmas lunch buffet. So do turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when that happens. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Until tomorrow, have a really blessed start into this Christmas week and may God surprise you with something awesome. Bye!